Strings are represented as Unicode strings. Therefore, each character uses 16 bits. One important detail about strings is that by default, tabular is not case sensitive. Therefore, two strings, if they only differ because of the casing, they are considered equal. If you compare Power BI with Power BI, where the first is partially lowercase and the second string is completely uppercase, the result will be true. And this is true for equal and also for strictly equal. If you need to perform a case-sensitive comparison between two strings, then you need to use the exact function that performs a case-sensitive comparison. Let's see that with some DAX code. Here I created the two variables, name1 and name2. Power BI is partially lowercase, name1. Name2 has Power BI, but this time it is completely uppercase. If you compare with the equal sign or with the strictly equal, the result is true in both cases. If you want to make a difference between the two, then you need to use the exact function. Exact name1, name2 is the only function that returns false.